So 3 horses are tethered with 7-meter long ropes at the 3 corners of a triangular field having sides 20 meter, 34 meter and 42 meter. Find the area of the plot which can be grazed by the horses. Also find the area of the plot which remains ungrazed. किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. So let angle A is equals to theta 1, angle 2 is equals to angle B is equals to theta 2, angle C is equals to theta 3. So now area which can be grazed by the horses is the area of these 3 sectors. Okay, sum of all the 3 sectors. So what is the sum? What is the area of one sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square और पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360. सो हम लोग तीनों को ऐड करेंगे. इसमें कुछ कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम लोग.
pi r square by 360.
Right, pi r square by 360. So theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, and this will be equals to 180 degree. Why?
Angle sum property of triangle.
Very good, angle sum property of triangle. So ये यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो रहा है. So हम लोग को 2 मिल गया. Why? Because theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 is equals to angle B plus angle C plus is equals to 180 degree. So area which can be grazed by the horses will be half pi r square. ठीक है, half pi r square. So यहाँ पे ये 2 कैंसिल कर दिए थे पिछले स्टेप में. So pi r square into half. तो 1 7 is cancel and 2 को भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं इससे. So 11 into 7 that is 77 meter square. तो ये तो था grazed area. Ungrazed area also we have to find. So यहाँ पे sides of plots are given in the question. कितना दिया हुआ है? 20, 34, 42. Okay. So we'll find the area of triangle minus area of grazed. Area of triangle, how will you find? Heron's formula. So A को 20 लेंगे हम लोग और B को 34 और C को 42. Now we'll find the value of S. S is 20 plus 34 plus 42, 96. So 96 by 2, 48 meter. Now S minus A is 28. S minus B is 14. S minus C is 6. Right? Now the area of whole plot will be equals to, that is area of triangle, root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now 48 into 28 into 14 into 6 we will substitute. Right? So यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो, ये 14 into 2 हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा. अच्छा एक okay. Now 42 how will you write? 8 into 6. 8 into 6 ऑलरेडी एक 6 है यहाँ पर और 2 14 है और 8 into 2 16 होता है, उसका स्क्वायर रूट 4 होगा. सो 4 into 6 into 14, 4 into 6 into 14, 24 into 14, 336 meter square. Any doubt here?
No sir.
Okay. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अभी पूरे ट्रायंगल में से अभी ये वाला माइनस करेंगे. ठीक है, 336 minus 77. So we'll get 259. So this is the final answer for ungrazed. Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay.